Bonjour tout le monde and welcome into my kitchen, the Gay Gourmand here, and today we're going to be making an amazing appetizer that costs about $20 or less and takes about 20 minutes or less to make. And with this full swing of the holiday season, let's be honest, there might be an occasion or two where you're going to need to make something really quick. We are making a delicious, crunchy, small cucumber bite with salmon spread topped with dill, with flavors such as capers and lemon and cream cheese. This appetizer is sure to be a hit. It is one of my go-to hors d'oeuvres when you are under a time crunch. So with that quick attitude, let's get started. Toot sweet, toot sweet. We're gonna start with our cucumber. Now this is not your typical standard cucumber. This is an English cucumber. You can tell because it's a lot longer and it came in plastic wrap, which I took off earlier, and it is a little sweet. Now what I'm gonna do is take a peeler. I'm going to peel an entire strip this way. I'll turn it a little bit, do another strip, but I'll probably do about 4 or 5 strips because once I slice it, you'll be able to see this fun little pattern on the side. It's just something to elevate your appetizer dish. Perfect. I'm going to cut off the ends here. Cut them about 1/2 inch thick. In my food processor, I'm gonna add 4 ounces of smoked salmon. You can use anywhere from 4 to 6, or honestly, if you wanna use 8, depends on how much of that salmon flavor you like. I'm gonna go with 4 because honestly, in this economy, I did not feel like buying an extra pack of salmon. So I dump that in, add in 8 ounces of cream cheese, dump that in. We'll do about a teaspoon and a half of lemon zest, a tablespoon of chopped up shallots, and a teaspoon of capers. There we go. Toss it in and mix it up. Now look at that, how perfect. Smells really good too. Because I want to be a little fancy with the presentation, I'm going to use a piping bag, and you can see I'm using a wide star tip. And I'll just spoon the mixture into my piping bag. Okay, so we've got our cucumbers. You are the lucky one. I'll start with you. All right, so it makes about roughly 32 bites. We're not finished yet. We're gonna add some dill to the very top. And voila, in under 20 minutes, you have mini cucumber salmon bites topped with fresh dill. So let's give it a taste. I love the crunch and the juiciness of the cucumber, and of course the creaminess of that salmon spread. And it is fresh with that lemon zest and the lemon juice. And when at the very end you get a little taste of that dill, it really is the perfect appetizer to bring to any type of gathering. And now you know you can make it for about $20 or less in under 20 minutes or less. So again, the theme this holiday season is to go through it stress-free. Now you have another appetizer in your repertoire to get you through the holidays. Until next time, remember to cook and bake fearlessly.